If you're tracking Synthetix, SNX, you know it's been grinding sideways for ages. But right now, it's up 100% in 2 weeks, smashing past key levels I called last time. Why the sudden fire? A massive $1 million trading competition just locked in top crypto names, all battling on their new Ethereum Mainnet Perps platform. Entries close soon via pre-deposits. Is this the breakout we've waited for, or just hype? Stick around, I'll break down the lineup, the tech edge, and my fresh chart targets to $10. Let's dive in. You won't believe the caliber of talent Synthetix just announced for this Mainnet showdown. Starting October 20th, 100 elite traders go head-to-head for that $1 million top prize. Cash, SNX tokens, even Infinex points. It's not just any contest. It's a proving ground for their perpetual futures on Ethereum. And some of the locked-in stars? CryptoDonAlt, Ansem, and CoinMamba. Synthetix is teasing more, but spots are vanishing fast. If you're into perps, this is the event to watch. To join the fray or just secure early access, it's all about the pre-deposit race on their site. Top 20 SUSD depositors and top 10 SUSD snag guaranteed spots. Then there are 5 lucky lottery winners. Every $1,000 pre-deposited earns a lottery ticket and a shot at securing a spot in the competition. Entries wrap October 13th at midnight UTC, so time's ticking. The winner walks with $1 million, while the top 10 split prizes, including SNX and more. It's straightforward. Deposit now, and you're in the mix for this Mainnet beta test. Synthetix is presenting it like it's a doorway to their perps, which are basically endless contracts without end dates, mixing security with speed. No more choosing between safe custody and fast trades. Synthetix is not messing around with this launch. Their perps hit Ethereum Mainnet, ditching the old trade-offs. On-chain custody means your assets stay locked in the world's most battle-tested settlement layer. No bridges, no weird L2 hops that risk hacks. Off-chain order matching? That's ultra-low latency, processing trades in milliseconds without clogging the network. Imagine deep liquidity from unmatched pools, all in one spot for margin. And for passive plays, their liquidity provider setup lets anyone deposit SUSD into the SLP pool, earning from spreads, fees, and liquidations without lifting a finger. Oh, Synthetix staking? Stake SNX and SUSD in the 420 pool for steady yields. No liquidation worries since it's collateral ratio free. Chill mode, deposit, earn, unstake anytime, non-custodial of course. But why Ethereum Mainnet specifically? It's the DeFi fortress, Layer 1 security with the strongest asset guarantees out there. Unmatched liquidity? All your favorites, ETH, wrapped ETH, USDT, CBBTC, in one ecosystem, no fragmentation. Home of DeFi origins and future composability, meaning protocols stack like Lego for wild strategies. No bridges means no leaving your assets vulnerable. Deposit, trade, withdraw, all on native Ethereum. Seems to be the ultimate hub, blending that raw power with Synthetix hybrid twist. Off-chain brains for speed, on-chain brawn for trust. Alright, let's get to the best part, my weekly SNX chart, with Fibonacci retracement anchored from that December 2024 top at $3.70 down to the June low of 50 cents. Look at this falling channel since August 2020. Lower trend line hugging the 2020, 22, and 25 lows like a glove. Upper resistance capping the 21 and 24 highs. Price broke through the 236 fib level, however it didn't work the first time. But that's actually healthy for a consistent run. Fibonacci extensions are great for helping me figure out my take-profit zones. First level at $1.70, it's our next magnet. Then $2.50, $3.70, and that's $6 to $10 moonshot for a tiny bag. Since my last Synthetix video on September 21st, SNX crossed the 10 and 21 EMAs on the 2-week view, blue lines below, clear bullish signal. Rejections at the 55 EMA, purple, in December 23, March 24, and December 24. History rhymes. Now we're coiling for a push there once again. Price is hovering at $1.10. That's smack in my second load zone, 85 cents to $1.20. Green box for DCA if you're building long-term like me. First zone was 50 to 75 cents. Nailed it earlier. Fibonacci RSI indicator on the bottom of your screen crossed neutral into bullish region. 7 green candles strong. Momentum's building without overheat. Volume profiles point of control at $2.70, so I'm expecting a volume spike there. VRVP bars on the left confirm fair value shifting up. Short term? Red dash stop below 80 cents on weekly close invalidates. Out if it breaks, but my core bag stays. I believe in the tech. Trailing stops kick in at targets. For example, hit 170, first green circle, 30% trim, move stop to entry. Nail 250, 20% trim, trail to 170. Risk-free after the first. Orange dashed resistance at 95 cents. Breached it clean. In my honest opinion, fundamentals align with this setup. Competition juices liquidity, but macro bears could cap it. Still, $2 by year-end feels conservative. Watch that 55 EMA for confirmation. Synthetix is firing on all cylinders. Killer competition, Ethereum native perps, hybrid smarts that fix DeFi pain points. From locked-in legends to whitelist races, it's positioning SNX not just as a token, but a yield machine. My chart says upside's real, with targets layered for smart scaling. I've shared my moves here because that's what I do, study, position, track. If this sparked ideas, destroy the like button, subscribe for more daily unfiltered crypto breakdowns. Join my free alpha Telegram crew via pinned comment. Links to my prior SNX vids pop on screen. Catch up if you missed the load zones. What do you want next? More Perps plays, or a fresh altcoin TA? Drop it below. Stay sharp out there. Never financial advice. See you tomorrow.